What's going on, y'all? Check it out. We doing oxtails today. Oxtail sous vide, y'all. Sous vide. And they gonna be so tasty. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Let's get it. And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty. So the first thing we need to do, we need to go ahead and rain on them. Hit them with a little salt, a little pepper, a little Tony Chachery, a little onion, and a little garlic powder. Then we're gonna take our saucepan with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in it and get our oxtails in it. Now, the purpose of this is just to get some color on these oxtails. We want to get a nice little crust. We're basically trying to sear them. Now, of course, while you're searing, don't crowd your pan, y'all. You overcrowd your pan, you're not gonna get that good sear. So of course, once we get a good sear on one side, we're gonna give it a flippy flip. And oh yeah, look at that color on them oxtails, y'all. Oh yeah, they coming together great. Great. Now let's set up our sous vide machine. We're gonna set it for 185 degrees for 12 hours. Now while that water is coming up to temp, we're gonna go ahead and get our onions and our bell pepper in, our veg out. So let's go ahead and get that a mixy mix. Now of course of this, we add a little salt. Had to rain on it, of course. Had to sweat them onions down. Now next we want to add a cup of beef stock. And we're gonna bring that on up to a boil. Well, not really a boil, just a light simmer. You don't want to boil it, y'all. And to this, we're gonna add about a tablespoon of tomato paste and about a teaspoon of garlic paste. And we're gonna mix that in and just bring those flavors right on together. That's all, y'all. We're not gonna continue cooking this for a long time. I would say about another minute. And we ready to go. So let's get our oxtails in our sous vide bag. And then we're gonna add in our beef stock, onions, and bell peppers. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be tasty, y'all. This is gonna be tasty. But anyway, we're gonna fold our bag back up. Now we folded our bag down to try to keep from getting the liquid on the part that we're trying to heat seal. That'll ensure a much better seal. So once we get this bag vacuumed down, of course, when you vacuum down, you have to kind of stop the machine and just go ahead and seal it once you get to a certain point. Some it don't matter, depending on what kind of machine you got. But then after you get it all back down, we're gonna spread it out just like this. So everything is got its own space into the bag. And we're gonna get it into our sous vide machine. And yeah, 12 hours later, Look what we got. Look what we got. Oh my goodness. That's dinner in a bag right there. Now you could have added carrots, potatoes, whatever you wanted in that bag, and you already have dinner. Real simple, y'all. Real simple. And look them tails there, y'all. Look at them. They look so tasty. Now let's check for tenderness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Now y'all know I hurt myself, right? These oxtails were absolutely delicious. Now I think that we're gonna start making this a every Wednesday thing. Sous Vide Wednesday. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.